If you're still pushing back against the AI revolution instead of making it work for you, you will get left behind. At least that's the narrative on TikTok, Reels, and YouTube, and these people aren't wrong. AI is not the future. It's here right now, and it can be leveraged to create unlimited wealth. The only limit, it seems, is the one you put on yourself. How creators are using AI. Many of the faceless channels churning out well-researched, well-edited content at an unusually quick pace are most likely using AI to stay consistent. From ChatGPT for scriptwriting to 11 Labs and Synthesia for video creation and Zapier for automatic uploading and tracking, you really can create a media empire if you know what to do. And rather than worrying about what this means for writers, animators, video editors, and artists in general, it's important to see how these tools can aid these professions, enhance our output, and give us more free time. ChatGPT. Perhaps the most popular AI right now is OpenAI's ChatGPT, which has proven to be an engine capable of everything from giving legal and lifestyle advice to creating blogs, scripts, emails, and marketing plans. ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art language model that uses machine learning technology to understand and generate human-like text. It uses a method known as unsupervised learning, where the model isn't trained on any specific dataset for a particular task, but fed a vast amount of internet text, from which it learns to predict the next word in a sentence. This allows the model to produce human-like text based on any given input. You can use this platform to create marketing campaigns, learn about new things, and create blogs and videos you can later monetize. Scribe. You may even combine AI platforms and produce results faster for your clients. Scribe Guru, for example, is an add-on for your Chrome browser designed to assist you in creating instructional content like tutorials, classes, and masterclasses. You can sign up for Scribe and list yourself as a course creator on a platform like Fiverr or Upwork. Provide services that focus on tutorial creation for individuals and businesses, and promote your expertise on social networks. Soon enough, you can start developing compelling and informative e-courses. You can then sell these courses via a subscription model or as digital downloads. Alternatively, you can upload these to YouTube and earn money through YouTube ads, sponsored content, or affiliate marketing. And if you combine the power of Scribe with ChatGPT's ability to write engaging video scripts, you can create a script that both educates and entertains. Synthesia.io. And if you aren't the kind of person who's comfortable being on camera, you can simply build your avatar on a video generation program like Synthesia and have the avatar do the talking for you. In a matter of minutes, you've created a tutorial that would otherwise have taken you a day or two to complete. But video creation isn't where AI stops. Beautiful.ai. Beautiful.ai, for example, is an impressive presentation software that enhances the visual impact of any business, no matter the industry. One of the ways you can generate income using Beautiful.ai is by providing your services to companies. In this role, you'll assist these businesses in crafting visually stunning presentations, transforming mundane slides into compelling visuals. By delivering such tailored presentations, you can charge a fee for your specialized services. You may even establish long-term partnerships with certain clients and ensure you get a monthly fee for making all their presentations. Moreover, you can offer consultancy services to businesses striving to refine their presentation skills, or provide support services to companies that use Beautiful.ai and need help with technical issues. Building AI software. But if you're thinking of going bigger and better, more and more industries are turning to AI to improve their operations. If you have the skills to build a software, you have a huge opportunity to be a pioneer. More than half of businesses surveyed by McKinsey reported using AI in some way, so your potential customer base is virtually limitless. Passive income with AI. But if you're looking to generate passive income, That is, making money without actually being involved every step of the way, AI can help with that too. By doing your homework and understanding the AI sector, you can spot promising startups to invest in. It's a great feeling to watch a business you've backed grow and succeed, and it's a chance to make money while helping others achieve their dreams. But if you'd like to put your tech savviness to good use, you can build AI-powered applications and put them on the App Store for a small fee. In 2021, people spent $133 billion on the Apple App Store and Google Play Store, nearly 20% more than the previous year. If you have an app idea and the knowledge to make it happen, you could create a regular income stream by selling it on app stores. As long as your apps get downloaded, the money will keep rolling in. The potent combination of artificial intelligence and business is not a distant dream, but a current reality. Embracing AI is the stepping stone to being future ready. It empowers businesses, entrepreneurs, and creators alike to adapt, compete, and excel in today's fast-paced digital age. The integration of AI into your business models opens up a plethora of opportunities for growth, innovation, and revenue generation. By incorporating AI into your business model, you set the stage for limitless possibilities. Stay up to date on the best and biggest news in business and entrepreneurship by hitting that subscribe button. And thanks for watching.